How to build a scalable QBR delivery system for MSPs. Quarterly business reviews are one of the most powerful tools an MSP has, but they're also one of the most time-consuming when they're built from scratch every quarter. In this video, we'll outline how to build a scalable QBR delivery system that standardizes reporting, automates data collection, and helps turn QBRs into strategic client conversations. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Building a system and workflow. Method 1. QBR template system. Define a master slide deck that every QBR will be based on. This ensures that clients quickly learn how to read and interpret your QBRs, which makes meetings more productive. To that end, every QBR should use the same slide layout, follow consistent terminology, and use standardized design. You should also document the QBR creation process with internal SOPs so any team member can consistently prepare reports at scale. Method 2. Internal process framework for QBR execution. Once the template exists, you need a workflow that eliminates confusion and errors. This framework can be broken down into 3 core tasks. Assign internal QBR roles. Typical roles include account lead, data collector, and presenter. Use a pre-QBR checklist. This should include ticket trends, backup status, patch compliance, and device health. Perform an internal review. Review the deck, validate data accuracy, and check for consistency before presenting to the client. Automating and collecting data. Method 1. Using PowerShell. Use PowerShell to automate baseline metrics across all clients, including patch status, disk usage, antivirus status, endpoint age. Export script results in CSV or JSON format so they can be easily imported into Excel, dashboards, or directly into QBR slide templates. Run this command to identify the most recently installed patch. To capture disk usage across file systems, Finally, use this to include a timestamp in your outputs. This helps prevent stale reporting by showing exactly when data was last collected. Method 2. Using the GPO and registry. To strengthen compliance and security reporting, combine GPO results with registry checks. First, you'll want to pull applied group policy results. From an elevated command prompt, run. Next, validate security settings via registry. Here are some sample commands. Validate BitLocker status. Validate password policy. Validate screen lock timeout. Cross-validating these results helps ensure compliance reporting is accurate and reliable. Delivering insights. Method 1. Visual delivery. Here's a sample template you can use to consistently format every QBR. Slide 1. Executive summary with green, yellow, and red indicators. Slides 2 to 5. Metrics, security posture, asset health, and roadmap. Slide 6. Feedback, upcoming initiatives, and next QBR date. Limit each slide to 3 key insights and make sure to highlight quarterly wins. For example, you can showcase prevented downtime, blocked threats, or major operational improvements delivered during the quarter. Method 2. Strategic use. Using QBRs strategically goes a long way in building a relationship with your clients. Some QBR best practices include sending the QBR deck at least 48 hours in advance so stakeholders can review and prepare questions. Teeing up future initiatives, such as project proposals and roadmap plans. Logging PSA outcomes. When built as a system, QBRs stop being a quarterly scramble and become a strategic advantage. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to build a scalable QBR delivery system for MSPs, linked in the description below.